Excited to be here. My name is Brittany Lapierre, and I'm representing the Canadian Research Knowledge Network here today. I specifically work for our team who supports Canadiana, and this is our online collections platform. Right now, we're in the midst of a project to essentially adopt Blacklight. We're moving away from a custom built Perl based access platform to Blacklight to help save a lot of work that goes into maintaining the custom platform, and also just take advantage of all of the extra features that Blacklight has that this custom portal does not have. So in the end, this will be our architecture and this is just a simple flow diagram to give you guys a bit of an idea of what will go into our Blacklight instance. So we'll have end users connecting to our Blacklight website. Our Blacklight website will talk to our IIIF image API, presentation API, and our arclet container. So arclet's just a arc, which is a type of persistent identifier. And arclet itself is a container application built by Internet Archive for minting those and managing them. So we're going to take advantage of their work that they've done there. And then we're using the Digerati manifest editor in the back end. Our digitization staff will be pushing content to our presentation API and our image API from there. Generally, our files are stored on OpenStack Swift, and we like to use Postgres for databases. The first thing that we've done in our transition was trying to choose a new item viewer. So you can go here to see some of the work that we did in that space, but we ended up choosing Mirador. And we did a big UX and accessibility study on Mirador. So we recruited some users, and then we did accessibility testing on a very base Mirador instance. That led to us processing a bunch of feedback and then trying to change as little as possible. So just changing some configuration options to get a more accessible version of Mirador here. And then after that, we did some usability testing to find what else we could do to make it more user-friendly to a broader audience. So this is the design that we had ended up with, and that's what you'll see mostly on our item pages. Then I might as well show you. This is where our Canadiana Blacklight instance is at the moment. You can see that it's running on my computer because we're still developing it. But in comparison to our old portal, which I'm going to switch my tab here, you can see it already feels a lot better, I think. And also with Blacklight, the facets here on the side are extremely easy to configure, and we can use pretty much any record in the MARC record for filtering and for displaying to our end users. So it's been really nice to work with the I think the catalog controller in the MARC indexer. It's just really powerful and really easy to use. So thank you very much. But yeah, so what we've been doing on this page, right now we're running usability testing on the base Blacklight facets UI. So when you press more, a pop-up comes up, if my thing is still running. Yeah, so a pop-up comes up, and you can go through them and different tasks like that. So if I go to our user research, which we use Maze for, you can see that I configured a bunch of tasks just for the search interface. And then a system usability scale questions, and then just a prompt for what other features they would like. So once this test is done, and we still have a few weeks left on people reporting back to us from it, I'll share this information out on the Code for Lib Slack so that everyone can take advantage of it. And the only other thing that I think I wanted to say was you can follow our work here at our development roadmap, and you can see all of the different repositories that we have open and what we're working on and stuff. Yeah, we're excited to be joining this community, and I hope to learn a lot today.